Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can convert low quality video to HD video using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my VN Video Editor application. And first of all, I'm going to duplicate this video. We can tap on the video and select the duplicate. And I'm going to make it as an overlay. We're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the forward menu, and I'm going to place it on the beginning and click on forward. Okay, then tap on the second video and we're going to fit the screen. Just click on the feed option and go to the filter. We're going to apply filter to our video. Select the Loon category and select the L4. Okay, and click on apply to all. And I'm going to click on filter again and go to the adjust, and I'm going to adjust the exposure, contrast, brightness, saturation, vibrance, temperature, and sharpen. For the exposure, I'm going to select 25. Okay, and for the contrast, we can choose 26. Okay, then the next one is brightness. I'm going to select 8, just a little bit, increase it a little bit. And then I'm going to tap on the saturation, and for the saturation we can select 7. Okay, and vibrance, select 70, around 70. And for the temperature, I'm gonna select -5. And the last one is sharpen. I'm going to increase it. I'm gonna go with 26, then click on apply to all. Okay, then the last one, we're going to blend the video. Just go to the blend menu, click on blending, and then we're going to select the hard light. Okay, and click on apply to all, and this is the final result. Alright guys, so that's all the way to convert low quality video to HD video in VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.